my name is Lisa. I'm one of the store managers for Perfect Potion up here in Queensland, and I would like to talk about and then demonstrate the latest product in our skincare range, Instant Revelation Facial Polish. So, Instant Revelation, just like the rest of the products in our skincare range, it is certified natural and 100% cruelty-free. This is also palm-free and completely vegan. As you can see, it's in a powder form and it can be used as an exfoliant or a mask, or you can combine the two and do a 2-in-1. Very versatile. Okay, so what's in it and how does it work? Well, this product is absolutely packed with a lot of different ingredients that all have their purpose. First of all, we have the brown and white rice granules, which provide the exfoliation component of the product. So those are ground up into a super fine powder, and when you use them on the skin, they're very gentle but very thorough exfoliant. After that, we have the Australian Kaolin clay, and this is what helps to absorb those impurities that you may have loosened with the exfoliation. So it provides a cleansing and absorption component. Then we have the softening component, which is with the oatmeal and the coconut milk together. So you'll see when you mix your powder into its paste, you'll see what beautiful creamy texture it has. And that's the oatmeal and the coconut milk working together to provide that richness. Of course, there is rose petals in here too, and as you know, rose is used in a lot of skincare and a lot of our skincare, and it's so hydrating and softening for the skin and takes really well to dry skin. I can't wait to show you when I mix this with water the beautiful colour that it makes as well. But the other star ingredient that we have in here is an Australian native extract from the Davidson Plum. So this is a little fruit, a little berry that is super abundant in different antioxidants that can really help you with fighting free radical damage, whether that's already something that's occurred. So if you already have some cell tissue damage, it can help with that. And it also works as a preventative as well for future environmental damage. And of course, it wouldn't be one of our products if it didn't have essential oils in it. And I really hope you all get a chance sometime to give this product a smell, because it's so beautiful. We've got a mixture of patchouli, Palmarosa, lavender, geranium, Australian sandalwood, all in here. And it's like the ultimate day spa smell. When you mix it up and you're using it on the face, it's a really sensory, beautiful experience. Okay, it's time for me to show you how to use it. So I've scooped out about a teaspoon of the powder into a little bowl. I find this is the easiest way to do it. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of water. You can also add floral water. That makes it really beautiful, particularly rose. Very decadent. And you just want to add enough water and mix it up until it starts becoming like a pancake, a thick pancake consistency, really. I'd love for you to see the colour change that's going on here without me spilling it everywhere. I think this is going to become a really nice colour. Let's try and bring that a bit closer. We've got those beautiful rose petals to thank for this rich pastel colour that we're getting out of it. Yeah, that's looking good. That's the way. So give that a good stir, make sure it's nice and even. And then you're going to put it on, of course. So I just like to scoop out a little bit at a time. I actually like to scoop it out, put it in my fingers, because there's nothing better than putting it on your fingers. Okay, have a little look. Beautiful. And then just start smoothing it on all over the face. You just want to end up with a nice even layer all across, covering your face as best you can, avoiding the eyes, of course, so try and spread it across there. So what I like to do at this stage, I like to use my Instant Revelation as a 2-in-1. So as I'm applying it, I like to use it as the exfoliant then. And if you just gently kind of buff away, really gently, you don't need much pressure at all, because it's going to work, it's going to do its thing. And then if you exfoliate this way and then you leave the product on, you've kind of loosened up all of those skin cells that were, you know, maybe not so healthy on the top, and you've loosened all of those up with the exfoliant, and then the clay can absorb it, and then coconut milk and the rose petals and the oatmeal can really add some hydration, and Davidson Plum can add in the antioxidants. So I like to give it a really good go. Yeah, it doesn't make it as even and as pretty, but it's going to give the results that we're after. So just give yourself an exfoliate here. Alrighty. Okay, so once you've got it on, looking great, of course. So you just leave this on for about 5 to 10 minutes, however long suits you. You don't need much more than that. So I'm going to leave this on for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm just going to use one of our face washes here to gently take it off. Okay, that's my 10 minutes there, so I'm going to take it off now. Okay, so I have everything off now, and I just want to say as well, when you're taking the mask off, make sure you be gentle with your skin because you have softened it quite a lot, so treat yourself with love when you take it off. And so this step, the exfoliant or the mask, comes after cleansing. So whatever you have left in your skincare routine, whether you like to tone and use an oil, or whether you like to use serums and moisturizers, it's completely up to you. Everyone's completely unique with their skincare routine. I am going to follow with some rose water and some 500 Roses face oil, which I think you can see the theme for what my skin enjoys. And that's going to help me feel even more hydrated and softened again because I'm keeping within that theme. So that's my skincare routine done now. I'm feeling super hydrated. I'm feeling really soft and my skin's feeling really cared for as well. I hope you can see, but I feel like I've added in a lot of moisture into my face. It's feeling really plump and really beautiful, and I feel like I've just had an at-home spa experience really. So if you haven't tried it yet, this product, Instant Revelation, is available in stores, or of course you can get it online. And if you have tried it already, or if you already own the product, please let us know how you like it and how you're using it. We'd love to hear your feedback. We make these products for you, so please let us know how you're loving it and how you've incorporated it into your current skincare routine. Okay, thanks so much.